Thank you all for joining us today. My name is Roy Masood, Construction Manager of Seymours. We're currently here today on our Seymours residence project located in Roseville. Just here to give you a quick construction update. Good milestones this month. We managed to complete our slab on ground works and pushing into the substructure. Currently standing on our ground floor pour one slab to try and lock in the substructure works so we can from here push into the superstructure. Everything's going according to program and still looking forward to having the project complete by the middle of next year. Thank you.